Let's just have a look at how a Pandas data frame looks. The dataframe object is a two-dimensional structure that can hold data in both rows and columns. In this example, we have a dataframe object about countries information, where each row represents a different country and each column represents a feature about that country. So you can think of it as a spreadsheet file or a relational database table. Each column in our data frame called a series object, which is basically a one-dimensional structure that has a descriptive name and a similar data type for all its values. And any series object can exist as part of a data frame or by itself. This list of series names is known as the data frame labels, while the actual values are the data. So you can think of a data frame as a group or a collection of different series objects. Both data frame and series have something called index objects, which is typically used to access and reference specific data values. So throughout this course, we will see a lot of practical examples about how we can create, manipulate, and analyze datasets using these data objects.